One of the hardest things about selling on TPT is this. You can create a genuinely good product and still barely get seen. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for over 17 years and have generated over $1.7 million in sales. And one of the biggest shifts that changed my business was realizing good products alone are not enough. Because on TPT, visibility matters enormously. Teachers cannot buy products they never find. And this is where a lot of sellers get discouraged. They create quality resources, but sales stay inconsistent. So they assume the product itself must be the problem. But many times, the real issue is visibility. The product exists, but teachers are not consistently seeing it in their searches. Here's something most sellers misunderstand. TPT is a search-based platform, which means visibility is heavily connected to discoverability. Can teachers find you? Can TPT understand what your product is? Does your listing align with how teachers search? And this is why visibility problems can quietly limit growth. Because if visibility is weak, everything downstream becomes harder. Sales stay inconsistent. New products struggle. Growth feels unpredictable. And many sellers respond by creating more, when the smarter move would be improving how existing products are being discovered. Honestly, this is something I underestimated for years. I thought growth mostly came from creation, and that is very evident from the size of my store. But eventually, I realized the sellers growing consistently were not always creating more. A lot of them simply had stronger visibility systems. Their products were easier to find, easier to understand, and easier for TPT to surface in the search. That changes everything. One of the biggest mistakes TPT sellers make is assuming no sales means a bad product. Sometimes it simply means not enough qualified visibility, and those are very different problems. A lot of sellers are trying to improve products when the real issue is that teachers are not consistently seeing those products in the first place. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. In the next video, I'm going to break down one of the biggest visibility mistakes TPT sellers make and why it quietly hurts both traffic and conversion. I will see you in the next video.